Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to unveil the ultimate top 5 best-selling products on Etsy. If you're looking to start your own business or just love unique and handmade items, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Number 5, customized jewelry. Personalized jewelry is always a hit. From engraved necklaces to birthstone rings, Etsy has a wide variety of options to suit every style and occasion. Number 4, handmade home decor. Add a touch of personal flair to your living space with handmade home decor. From cozy throw pillows to beautifully crafted wall art, Etsy has it all. Number 3, printable art. If you're looking for affordable and customizable artwork, Etsy's printable art section is a goldmine. You can instantly download and print stunning designs to decorate your home. Number 2, handmade bath and body products. Relaxation and self-care are essential, and Etsy's bath and body products are perfect for indulging in a little pampering. Treat yourself to luxurious soaps, bath bombs, and more. And number 1, handmade clothing and accessories. The top spot goes to handmade clothing and accessories, from unique and stylish clothes to one-of-a-kind accessories. Etsy is a treasure trove of fashion-forward finds. And that concludes our list of the top 5 best-selling products on Etsy. Whether you're looking to start a business or simply want to support independent artisans, Etsy is the place to be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Happy shopping or selling.